Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess. Chess is a classic strategy game played on a square board with 64 alternating light and dark squares. Each player begins with 16 pieces: 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, and 8 pawns. The objective is to strategically move your pieces to capture your opponent's king, a move known as checkmate. Understanding the board setup and piece values is your first step to becoming a skilled player. Each chess piece has a unique way of moving across the board. Pawns advance 1 square forward, capturing diagonally. Rooks move straight, either horizontally or vertically for any distance. Knights jump in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction and then 1 square perpendicularly. Bishops glide diagonally across any number of squares. The powerful queen can move any number of squares in any straight direction, combining rook and bishop movements. Finally, the king moves just 1 square in any direction. Beyond basic movements, chess features a few special moves that add depth to the game. Castling is a unique move involving your king and one of your rooks, enhancing king safety and rook activity. En passant is a special pawn capture that can occur immediately after an opponent's pawn moves 2 squares from its starting position. When a pawn reaches the 8th rank, it can be promoted to a queen, rook, bishop, or knight, significantly increasing its power and strategic value. The game of chess concludes in several ways. The most common is checkmate, where one player's king is under attack and cannot escape. However, not every game ends with a winner. A stalemate results in a draw when the player whose turn it is has no legal moves, but their king is not in check. Draws can also happen by mutual agreement if the same position repeats 3 times, or if there isn't enough material on the board to force a checkmate. Understanding these endings is crucial for strategic play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.